Hello guys, how are you? I'm Teacher Laura. Welcome back to my English lessons. And today I'm going to share a very good lesson with you. I'm going to share how to use days of the week when you are talking, when you are speaking, how you can use days of the week. Okay. First of all, there are 7 days within a week. There are 7 days within a week. We have Monday. Some people can say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. Those are the 7 days that we have within a week. They are the 7 days. Now, when you want to talk about days of the week, we use the preposition of time on before them. Before days of the week, we use on. For example, I go to church on Sundays. That's my case. Every Sunday, I have to go to church. I go to church on Sundays. What day do you go to church? I don't know if you're a Christian or not. Maybe you are a Muslim, you go to the mosque. Tell me, what day do you go to the mosque? Okay. So when we use the days of the week, we have to use the preposition of time on. Okay. Um, I like going out on Saturday. I like going out on Saturday. Sometimes you can want to go to hang out with your friends to have a good time. Sometimes it's a weekend. We need to have some good vibes. Okay, and I've talked about the days of the week, and I said that there are 7 days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, and I said that we have to use the preposition of time on in front of before the days of the week. Okay, let's talk about the months of the year as well. The months of the year. Um, there are 12 months within a year. There are 12 months within a year. The first one is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Yeah, here I would like to insist on some cases about the pronunciation, the way we pronounce. I will say April, April. Some people like pronouncing April, but it's not April, it is April. Yeah, it is August, August. We don't say August, no, August. That is okay. And when you want to use the months of the year, we use the preposition of time in. The preposition of time in. For example, I was born in December. I was born in December. When were you born? When were you born? Tell me. For me, I was born in December. What about you? My sister will come to visit me in October. Thank you so much. I would like to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need your support. Subscribe and like, comment, and share. Tell me, what day do you go to church? And when were you born? When were you born? Let's share. Tell us in the comment section. When were you born? Thank you so much. Bye.